Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So guys, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs for various NPTEL courses through our channel S Kumar Edu. So if you want to purchase any of our courses, you can mail me to this email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So if you see here that we have provided many subjects. So ethical hacking, so 300 MCQs will be provided. So in the PDF format guys, every MCQ will be in the PDF format. So for one person 300 MCQs available. So these are past NPTEL assignment combination questions. So for one person it is 300 rupees. For 2 to 5 persons access it will be 500. So similarly for cyber security 120 MCQs, one person access is 150 and 2 to 5 persons access is 500. So similarly cloud computing 300 MCQs, introduction to internet of things 300 MCQs, IoT 4.0 300 MCQs. So these are past years NPTEL questions guys. So data structures using Java 315 MCQs 300 rupees only, and introduction to machine learning by IIT Madras. So 600 plus MCQs. So for one person access is 500 rupees guys, and there is 2 to 5% access as well. So these are the prices list. So you can pause the video and you can see. So big data computing 155 plus MCQs, the price is 200. So software testing IIT Bangalore, so 120 MCQs 150 rupees for one person. And similarly for other courses as well. So programming in Java 300 MCQs 300 rupees, AI search methods 300 MCQs 300 rupees, and deep learning by IIT Roper, so 270 MCQs 300 rupees. Problem solving through C 130 plus MCQs, the price is 150 rupees, and Google Cloud Computing Foundations 160 plus MCQs 200 rupees. So joy of computing using Python 125 past MCQs 150 rupees, and developing soft skills and personality, so 200 past MCQs 200 rupees guys. So friends, these are the prices list. So if you want to add me any other courses, you can please give your respective course names. So you have to send mail to this email ID guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So share this news with your friends and classmates in your WhatsApp student unofficial groups. So these are the list of the courses, total number of MCQs, and how many persons access you want. So that will be the price decider. So this is the price list of the various courses of NPTEL exam guys. So I wish you very all the best for your final exam. So already many students have taken our PDF packs. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. You can mail me to this email ID only if you are confirmed to make the payment guys. So uh, my suggestion is it's better to take this 2 to 5 persons pack, so that individually you can share the price with your friends and classmates, so you will get for less price only individually. So please tell this, and please make sure you spread this news in your college groups, unofficial student groups. So make sure everyone should know about this, so that everyone will get benefited. So you can share the individual price. So that's it guys, I wish you once again very all best for your final exam. So keep supporting us. Goodbye.